Question number 1. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Answer: East Antarctica. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 3. The second highest peak in India? Answer: Nanda Devi. Question number 4. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Answer: Africa. Q5. Which is the country with the most people? Answer: China. Question number 5. Which is the fastest animal on land? Answer: cheetah. Question number 6. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? Answer: Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Question number 7. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Answer: hydrogen. Question number 8. Which is the largest state of India? Answer: Rajasthan. Question number 9. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Answer: diamond. Question number 10. The national river of India? Answer: Ganga. Question number 11. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer: Africa. Question number 12. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. Question number 13. Which is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. Question number 14. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer: sphygmomanometer. Question number 15. Which is the largest democracy country in the world? Answer: India. Question number 16. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Answer: camel. Question number 17. Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer: blue whale. Question number 18. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Answer: femur, also known as the thigh bone. Question number 19. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: lion. Question number 20. Name the national bird of India. Answer: the peacock.